Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to your class of science. Today, we are going to start the unit 1, which is science skills. In this chapter, we are going to study many skills which are important for further studying science. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn what is science, the three main branches of science, and their importance, why they are important in our lives, and how they are useful for us. What is science? Science is basically obtaining knowledge by observation and experimentation, then using that knowledge to describe and explain the natural things. It is about explaining the natural phenomena which is happening around in the world and even in our bodies, in ourselves. Understanding of the world around us and solving problems. Science allows us to think logically and systematically. So, science is basically to explore the world. The three main branches of science are biology, physics, chemistry. First, let's see what biology is. Bio means life and logy means study. So, biology is the study of life. It includes the study of ourselves, of the systems in our bodies, of the plants, how plants carry out photosynthesis, how do they respire, what are the different processes which occurs in plants and animals. And not only plants and animals, in biology we also study the microorganisms which are very small, which we cannot see with our eyes. The microorganisms include fungi, bacteria, viruses. So biology is a huge vast terminology which we study about plants, different processes, the animals, human beings, bacteria, viruses, fungi, their diseases, all the related things. Chemistry. It is the physical properties and reactions of elements and compounds. In this, we study the different chemical reactions, how different chemicals react with each other, how they are helpful, and how they form different huge compounds. The physics is related to electronics, laws, nature of atoms, the laws of movement, how the atoms move, what is about the universe, what are the galaxies. All these studies are related to the physics. In this, we also study the movement of the planets and the movement of electrons as well. Importance of science. When we see in our homes, there are different electrical appliances, all the machines, they are all the blessings of science, we all know. Apart from that, electricity, it is also an important importance of science, because in physics we study the movement of electrons and flow of charges. It is related to the electricity. Now, when we study the science, we have a lot of scope in farm, as a farmer, in fields, in different climatic data collections, in working units, in industries. A lot of services are there. We know about the pharmaceutical companies. So pharmacies, they are related to biology and chemistry. Science has blessed us with lot of healthy things. It does not only give us cure of the disease, but it also helps us to prevent ourselves from different diseases by giving us different herbs, by giving us solutions to the different diseases, illnesses. We all know about the antibiotics, the medicines, and the different scanning machines. All these are a blessing of science. We cannot deny the importance of science. In physics, when we study about the heat, apart from that we study about light and sound, because these are all related to energy. These are the different forms of energy. So science tells us how we move, how we work, and all these are the blessings of science. Let's wrap up. In science, we have studied the three major branches, which are biology, physics, and chemistry. In biology, it gives us the study, it tells us about our whole own bodies, about the various systems of our bodies, about the plants. It gives us cure from diseases. It gives us a way for a fishery and farming. In physics, we know how to deal with different circuits, how to develop different electronical machines, how do they work. This is all related to physics. In chemistry, chemistry also merge with biology and it forms biochemistry, which is also an important branch in which we study the nature of our own systems and the reactions which is happening in our bodies. So chemistry also gives us the pharmacies and the pharmaceutical companies which make different medicines. Apart from that, many industries, the paint industries, ink industry, they all use the chemical reactions. I hope it's clear to all of you. Now we will move on further to the next topic tomorrow, inshallah. Take care.